so cool. Yeah, those people behind that house, they used to, like, me and my brother would play ball, and the ball would sometimes go over the little fence into the yard. But it's not like we were kicking it hard enough where it was, like, damaging anything. Hello, hello, hello. Alright, none of you respect me. Okay, fuck you then, bitch. None of them. Literally none of them. Look at this kid, yeah! Wow, I fucked that up. My wheel came up! Holy shit! Wow, that was embarrassing, I'm not gonna lie. It's okay, they don't care. Stop signs are suggestions. Suggesting to offer patience. See? Suggesting to offer patience. Yeah, no, I'll make that up. It is actually chilly. Oh, what the hell is that whistle? Section, slow down a little bit. You never know, Look at that, see? We're going to good speed, he saw me. It's gonna get so cold soon, I'm so sad. No! Sucks, man. I'm just glad I've gone out and about lately with people and met good people. We got some fire content. Alright, it's not that fire. We're working on it. We're young, bro. We're just kids. In reality, we're trying to just make it out. We're having fun along the way. We ride piss missiles, for God's sakes. You know, we're here to have fun. We're not going like Mach speed till we're dead. You know, like kind of riding. No, I like the way those groups ride. Like I hate fast shit. Like I'm not about that super fast pace. I like a nice like go and stop, splits a little bit, but not that like non-stop go. Like fuck that. Just too much. Like you don't even enjoy it anymore. You're like on the fence the whole time. I'm gonna just keep going straight. I'm not gonna go that back way. I just feel like being around others kind of thing. Maybe smart. I'm gonna get gas at that Sheets. What I'm gonna do. Fill up. I don't know about the highway. I do not feel like taking the highway. I'm like going way back around. Yeah. I couldn't see him. Between my tinted and his headlights, I have no idea. I know. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. I'm like tired, but not. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Like I have it in me to like, but like not at the same time. I don't know. There goes a bike. Hey, oh, go, you fucking dumbass. Oh my god, you are slow. Molasses is fucking knocking at your door, bud. Come on. Hello, Buster. No cops. That's all I was worried about. We're neutral. Bro, kick it down. Oh, you fucker. Alright, if I can't, my gosh, I can. Come on, you fuck. Oh, that's a girl. Damn. Oh, damn. Damn, she ripping. Let me just get my gas and go, bro. Mark my words, I'm gonna make a montage out of this shit. It's gonna go crazy on Instagram. Watch. Not with me spraying gas all over. Damn. Alright, here we go. Yes! Fuck you, haha. It's so good. Woohoo! $12. Damn. Oh, hell no. Get out of here. Hee Nothing up. Fire. Oh. Why are we going so fucking slow? That song was good. That song made me want to... Oh. It's still going. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's so good for this. I swear it's always the cops, bro. Have their fucking lights off. Like their actual headlights. Officer, I wasn't doing nothing. But your fucking lights off. Bro, you can turn on red. I don't get people, bro. I'm just gonna inch forward here. Yeah, dumbass.